I was raised beneath the shade of a Georgia pine. That's home, you know, sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine. Where the peaches grow, and my house is not much to talk about. It's filled with love that's grown on northern ground. And it'll be a chicken fried, cold beer on Friday night. Head dreams if it's just right, and radio up like to see the sunrise. See the love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child. No mother's love. It's funny how it's little things in life that bring most. Not where you live or what you drive or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign for peace of mind, and this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me. Glasses for a toast, a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fits just right, and the radio like to see the sunrise. See the love in the woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child. No mother's love. I thank God for my life. Oh, for the red and white, oh, freedom forever fly. Let it ring, salute the ones who died, who gave their lives so we don't have to pass. All things we love, like a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on Friday night, pair of jeans that fits just right, and the radio like to see the sunrise. Feel love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child.